So today we are gonna learn how to do the Aysha, or so-called handspring, from the split grip, which is this. Hi everybody, this is Ina and this is video number 3 on the how to get into the Aysha, or also called handspring tutorial series from other tricks. If you haven't watched other videos yet, there will be a link down in the description that will start you from video number 1. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button so that you don't miss any other videos that are coming. And they are definitely coming because I release my videos every week on Sunday. In this particular tutorial, you will learn how to get into Aysha from the Jamilla V. Let's see how it looks first, and make sure that you stick around to the end of this video because I will share important things that you can't do this trick without. So now I'm going to show how to get into the handspring from Jamilla V pole trick. So step 1 is to go into Jamilla. Keep your head lower than hips. You want to look back. So point number 2 is to stick this upper leg to the glue to my upper hand. Right? Push. Leg glued to the upper hand. And do your, well actually this is step number 3, do your handspring. Step number 1, step number 2, push, and 3, do your handspring. And go back as you can. Alright, and final step in our tutorial is tips, so keep watching. Tip number 1. In your split grip, keep both of your hands banded and place them like shown here. This will help you later when you will need to push your body away from pole. Bottom hand behind the pole. Tip number 2. Hips should be higher than head. Look up as if you are trying to see what's behind you. Tip number 3. Stick leg that's on the top to your top hand and keep it together until you press into Aysha. This will help you to keep balance when you're pushing your body away from pole. And that's it for this tutorial. Like, subscribe, and comment below if you like this entrance variation into Aysha or handspring. And see you in the next videos.